doesn't just engineer the largest combustion and environmental systems in the world. We use our experience to deliver innovative solutions to meet all safety-related performance requirements, as well as constantly evolving emission specifications. Our rental systems help businesses remain online and maintain revenues during pilot plant operations, scheduled turnarounds, maintenance activities, emergency shutdowns, and force majeure events. Our fleet is the largest in the world and staged in strategic international locations composed of flare systems, thermal oxidizers, vapor combustors, and all associated ancillary equipment. Each temporary solution utilizes a design equivalent to or more advanced than its permanent system counterpart. The systems are modularized to a skid or trailer-mounted configuration, which allows for rapid deployment whenever and wherever our customers need it. We ensure our rental equipment spans the scope and capacity to support any emissions control project or field operation. If needed, our experts will modify existing equipment to meet all critical process performance requirements or engineer a new system designed to meet unique specifications. Zeeco is not your standard equipment provider. We are redefining the role of a combustion company, placing the needs of our customers and the environment at the forefront of our technological innovation and delivering comprehensive industry-leading combustion and environmental solutions. Go with the industry's largest, most dependable rental fleet. Zeeco, redefining combustion.